Hello and welcome to Grammar Gallery once again. So we are back again after a back-to-back few classes. In today's class we are going to discuss about the transformation of sentences. In fact, last week we have started with transformation of sentences and I also uploaded that video how to combine or add both the sentences by using so that, not, to and not enough. So far the video has got lots of views and at the same times the likes. So in today's video we have the second part of transformation of sentences. So before we start today's video, so if you haven't subscribed the channel so far, so it's my request again to subscribe the channel and keep watching such kind of more videos which will be really helpful for transformation of sentences. In today's part, let's see what we have. So we have combined the sentences using not only but also. As I told you so far that combination of sentence is very important. As we have the good knowledge in tenses, you have gone through several kinds of different kinds of transformation of sentences, but if you interested to just enhance your knowledge in English, especially the spoken language, so such kind of combine of sentences are always plays a very important role. So in today's topic we have combine the sentence or to add the sentences by using not only but also. Let's start with an example. Radha is a good dancer. Radha is a good singer. Look at these two sentences. These two sentences just it says the qualities of Radha here. The noun is Radha here. So we have got the adjective good and there are two qualities and different qualities. One is having a dancer and at the same time to be a singer. So whenever we are talking to such kind of sentences or while you are talking to your friends or anybody else, so you need to keep in your mind that we should not repeat the sentence or we should not say the same kind of sentences. Otherwise what happens, the person who is talking with you or who is listening to you, sometime they may feel get bored. So that's the reason here combination of sentence is very important and we need to just combine the sentence by using not only but also. So today our video will be very short one. So we will have 3 to 4 examples and if you can just drill out or you can keep practicing such kind of examples of your own, so in your spoken languages you are not going to find any kind of problems to talk freely and fluently. Let's add both the sentences by using not only but also. We will start with Radha. Radha is not only, you should add here the word not only. Radha is not only a good dancer. Now add but also. But also a good singer. Look how simple this sentence is. If you want to talk very freely, very fluently in English, so such kind of sentences always help you. Okay, so this is a very simple way to combine both the sentences. We can go for another example. Suppose I will take another example. Mr. Ben is a good teacher. He is a fantastic human being. Look at the second examples. I have made only two changes here. One thing is that in the first sentence I used the noun Mr. Ben. In the second sentence I just used the pronoun here. And one more thing that I have changed here, that is in the first sentences we have got two similar adjectives, that is good and good, I mean same. And here we have an adjective for it is a good, and second one is fantastic. So while such kind of sentences happens, so we should start with Mr. Ben is not only a good teacher, now just join with but also a fantastic human being. You can look at it, both the sentences, how easily the sentences being already transformed into another form. Having said earlier that for such kind of sentences, remember the meaning of the sentences like the first two sentences and the combined sentence that we have made now, so the meaning of these two should be always remain same. So we will go for another example. John did not qualify for the exams. Number one sentence. We have the second sentence. Ben did not qualify for the exams. Okay. Have you seen these two sentences? One is John did not qualify for the exams, and the second one is Ben did not qualify for the exams. So now, so you can just pause the video for at least for 1 or 2 minutes and first try to transform both the sentences of your own. Just pick up your notebook and by taking the pen and try to just solve it down. Try to just make or to transform the both sentences into one sentence. Just pause for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes then you need to just match the answers. The answer just I will tell you. Let's see what happens. At what extent you can make this sentence correct. At what extent did you understand? You will realize yourself. This is called the self assessment. You can assess yourself. So let's see. I think after pausing 2 minutes, so far you have made the sentences, or you have just transformed this both sentences into one sentence, but let's see what should be the correct answer here. Look here, in the examples we got first and second one, in fact both the sentences having the same subject, and here first time we have got two subjects are different. Here we are talking about John, but here he is some certain, I mean different person here. In the second example we just used here Mr. Ben, and here we used he, that means this is the pronoun, but itself this pronoun is just shows the same thing, that is the same person of Mr. Ben, but this time this is the different one. So a slightest of change. In certain cases, that means there are two kinds of not only but also kind of sentences could be transformed into one. So one is having the both subjects are same, and the second one is having both the subjects are different. For both the subjects are different, let's see what to do. So such a situation, start with not only. Very simple, not only John, and immediately use but also Ben. Okay, not only John but also Ben didn't, means did not qualify for the exams. So this is the way to make it. If the both the subjects are same, start with not only, then use the first subject, immediately just add here but also, then put the I mean the subject of the second sentence and just continue the sentence. So this is the way to make these sentences, or to transform, or to just combine the both sentences into one. So in today's video just we have got through with 3 examples only. So from the transformation of sentences we will continue our next video by next week. I hope in the today's video it is very helpful for your examination point of view. You can get the marks at the same time while you are talking to the other people by adding the sentences of your own, I mean by using the combination method. So the people will realize that they are talking to a person who is having a very depth knowledge in English grammar, and also having a very good knowledge in spoken language as well. So anyway, so see you next time with a new video. If you so far if you haven't subscribed our channel, so it's my request again to subscribe the channel and encourage us to make such kind of more videos. Just waiting for your texts, your messages, your mails and your suggestion as well. So hopefully we are meeting next time. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.